Elon Musk's views on leadership. Elon Musk, the influential entrepreneur behind Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and the Boring Company, is widely recognized not only for his groundbreaking technological innovations but also for his distinctive approach to leadership. Musk's leadership style has been both lauded and critiqued, and his opinions on leadership offer valuable insights into how he manages his companies and inspires his teams. His perspective on leadership is characterized by a mix of high expectations, hands-on involvement, visionary thinking, and a focus on achieving extraordinary goals. 1. High expectations and intense work ethic. One of the most notable aspects of Elon Musk's leadership style is his high expectations and demanding nature. Musk is known for setting ambitious goals and pushing his teams to meet them. His intense work ethic and relentless drive for excellence are key elements of his leadership approach. Musk believes that achieving remarkable outcomes requires more than just incremental improvements. It demands extraordinary effort and dedication. Musk's expectation for his employees to work long hours and be deeply committed to their roles reflects his belief that exceptional results come from exceptional effort. He is known for being hands-on and directly involved in the technical and operational aspects of his companies. This approach not only sets a high standard for his team but also demonstrates his own commitment to the mission and goals of his organizations. 2. Visionary thinking. Elon Musk is often described as a visionary leader. His ability to envision and articulate a bold future is a cornerstone of his leadership style. Musk's ventures, from electric vehicles to space exploration, are driven by a clear and ambitious vision of transforming industries and addressing global challenges. Musk's visionary thinking is not just about having grand ideas, it's about inspiring others to share and work towards that vision. He effectively communicates his goals and motivates his teams by painting a compelling picture of the future. This ability to convey a strong sense of purpose and direction helps align his team's efforts with the overarching mission of the company, fostering a sense of collective ambition and commitment. 3. Hands-on leadership. Musk's hands-on approach to leadership sets him apart from many other executives. He is known for immersing himself in the technical and operational details of his projects. Whether it's designing rockets at SpaceX or developing new vehicle models at Tesla, Musk's involvement is often at a granular level. This hands-on leadership style allows Musk to stay deeply connected with the work being done and to address issues directly. It also demonstrates his commitment to understanding the challenges faced by his teams. By being actively engaged, Musk can make informed decisions, provide valuable insights, and lead by example. This approach helps build credibility and fosters a culture of collaboration and problem-solving within his organizations. 4. Embracing risk and innovation. Elon Musk's leadership is closely tied to his willingness to take significant risks and embrace innovation. Musk's ventures are often characterized by their boldness and unconventional approaches. He is known for investing heavily in cutting-edge technologies and pursuing ambitious projects that many might consider high-risk. Musk's approach to leadership involves creating an environment where innovation is encouraged and calculated risks are taken. He believes that to achieve groundbreaking advancements, one must be willing to challenge the status quo and explore uncharted territories. This mindset is reflected in the way he leads his companies, fostering a culture of experimentation and continuous improvement. 5. Resilience and adaptability. Resilience and adaptability are crucial aspects of Musk's leadership philosophy. Throughout his career, Musk has faced numerous setbacks and challenges, from failed rocket launches to production delays. Despite these obstacles, he remains resolute and continues to push forward. Musk's ability to remain resilient in the face of adversity and adapt to changing circumstances is a key element of his leadership style. He views challenges as opportunities for growth and learning rather than as insurmountable barriers. This resilient mindset not only helps him navigate complex situations, but also inspires his teams to persevere and adapt in the pursuit of their goals. 6. Focus on team and culture. While Musk's leadership style is often associated with high expectations and intense demands, he also places significant emphasis on building a strong team and fostering a positive culture. He recognizes the importance of surrounding himself with talented individuals who share his passion and drive. Musk's approach to team building involves recruiting top talent and empowering them to take ownership of their work. He values creativity and encourages his team members to contribute ideas and take initiative. By creating an environment where innovation is valued and individuals are motivated to excel, Musk helps cultivate a culture that supports the company's ambitious goals. Conclusion: Elon Musk's views on leadership offer a multifaceted perspective on what it takes to lead effectively. His high expectations, visionary thinking, hands-on involvement, willingness to embrace risk, resilience, and focus on team and culture all contribute to his distinctive leadership style. Musk's approach demonstrates that effective leadership involves not only setting ambitious goals and driving results, but also inspiring and empowering teams to work towards a shared vision. For those looking to understand and emulate successful leadership, Musk's principles provide valuable lessons. Embracing a visionary mindset, maintaining high standards, being hands-on, fostering innovation, and building a resilient and motivated team are all essential components of effective leadership. By applying these principles, leaders can inspire their teams, overcome challenges, and achieve extraordinary outcomes in their own organizations.